everybody, and I am here today. I'm Kate from Crate Insider, and I want to tell you about what our new products are for June of 2024. So I think I forgot to actually post a video in May, so I'm not sure if this is kind of like the May and June or April, May and June, whatever it is, but these are the newest products that we have added to the store since the last time we did a What's New video. So what we're looking at here is all of the items here on the table, but I do want to go through them. So the first one is we have added the five-star bodies, this engine scoop. Now this is the wide version of the engine scoop, and it has that carbon fiber look to it. So, you know, you gotta love when something looks like carbon fiber for sure. And then here, when I look at the diameter, it looks like we've got about a 14-inch opening right here. And so depending on what you're looking for, especially, you know, what kind of air filter you're running or whatever. I mean, not that your air filter is going to stick out beyond this, but anyway, if you're looking for a wider hood scoop, then this is going to be the one. And we also are selling the extension as well. So we've got the wide hood scoop extension. I believe this one is tinted. Yep, it's this one's tinted, and it looks like, let's see what the height is on this one here too. The height on this is about 3 inches, so we can get a 3-inch rise on our hood scoops. So that's what we have, and so the hood scoop itself runs $61, and then the tinted hood scoop extension runs $41. So now we have those in the store. Another item that we added, and in fact we did a whole separate video on this, and we talked about it on Top 5 Tuesday, but it is our Willys high flow fuel cell vent. And the real crux of this, or why you would want this, is you can really never get enough venting from your fuel cell, and especially if you are running a system that's pushing any fuel back. So if you're running a bypass regulator system on your car, then you can really end up creating all this extra air pressure, and it's not a lot. I mean, it's not like creating a bomb back there, but you can get this extra air pressure that's back there, and that it can actually cut down on efficient flowing of your fuel. So that's what this cap is made for, and it's made for any of your screw-in types. So it's not gonna work on all fuel cells if you just got the quarter turn. This is going for the ones that are a screw-on, and this Willys fuel cell vent runs $156.95. So it'll be a cap and a vent all in one. Very simple. You don't have to take your fuel cell apart in order to put this on. You really just replace the cap. Makes it a lot easier, and this has been really popular. So I haven't heard, sometimes when you put things out to the world, you don't always get a lot of feedback initially, unless it's negative, and I haven't heard anything negative. I mean, this is such a new product for us, so it's, I mean, I'm just hearing, I'm not hearing anything bad, and I know Willys has been selling it for a while, and they do extensive testing on all their stuff. All right, so next up, we have these socket extensions. So one of these we already had, can't remember which one we had and which one we didn't, but now we have, they're both 12-inch, and one is a 3/8-inch drive, and the other one is a half-inch drive, I believe, yes. And so we've got these long sockets, so great for, you know, for taking off your lug nuts. So whether you need the 3/8, which is $49.99, or if you need the half-inch, then that one runs at $51.99. Now one of these used to be like a bright orange, but now they're all gray. So I mean, I don't know, I kind of liked the orange, but we're sold out of those, and now gray is the ones that we can get. So here we are. I guess, so if nothing else, I guess it's partly new because it used to be orange and now it's gray, so it's sort of a new-ish product right there. And then I've got a couple of other fun things. You know, we have gotten questions too about the kind of paint to use, especially like on an engine. The one that we've always gone with around here is the VHT. This is an engine enamel, and it is, looks like it heat safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. So it says drivetrain paint chemical resistant coating, and I know that this is really popular with engine builders especially. So if you're looking for, this one happens to be flat black. So if you need a flat black, I mean, obviously it's on the cap right here, and we've got this, it runs $16.99 a can. All right, this brings us to a couple of other items on here that are also, I know that they're actually new products. And one of them is these primer bottles. These are meant for your fuel, you know, that you can put, you know, to prime your carburetor. And we got a couple of different ounces here. So one of these, this is an 8 ounce, this small one. And this one here is a 16.9 ounce, which happens, it's a weird thing, except for it's the exact amount of water that you'd find in a normal water bottle. So I don't know if that was part of the reason. Obviously you wouldn't put water in it, but so for any of your fuels, if you want to put some fuel into your carburetor and get it in order to prime it up before you start your engine, these are made for that. As you see, they've got a nice tip on them to be able to direct that fuel straight into the bowls right on there. So let me see what the prices are here. So the smaller bottle is $11.49 and the larger one is $12.99. Great to just add on to your order of any of the other items you might be getting from us. And lastly, we have one more item that I thought would be kind of cool, and this is a wheel cover holder. So in your trailer, you could just screw this into your trailer walls, and then for any of your wheel covers, that they'll just pop right in here and then be able to hold your wheel covers, because I mean, it just kind of makes sense. So if you've got extras or spares or whatever, and you know, I see that there's a nice little spot for branding right here. So if you wanted to put one of your own decals on that, I think that could look really good. So this is our wheel cover holder that is meant for your trailer. Well, put it wherever you want. Put it on the wall in a shop if you wanted to, but wheel cover holder, and this one runs $39.99. And all of these items are items that we stock, and we'll be able to ship out the same day or the next day, depending on what time you order. And I want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions about any of these products, go ahead and drop them into the comments, or if you've got any requests, we'd love to hear from you. What would you like to see from us? And you know, we'll take a look and see if there are other products that we can bring in. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video.